Stop smiling. So I had no plan of spending this Saturday shooting any video. I just wanted to check on my pots with some walnut seeds and some tree nuts, and although I didn't want to feature them, I have to feature them. While I was giving hope to all my 5 or 6 pots, I discovered something very interesting. This is my tree nut that it's growing. So out of 6 pots similar to this one, each with 5 seeds inside, only one came out unfortunately, but it's doing just well. And my big surprise came from the walnut, from the nut, because I planted this, they sounded empty, and I gave my father, because he was the one giving me, saying, you have green thumb, whatever you plant is gonna come out. You had that since childhood, so I really want this type of nut to grow in our garden, because it's such beautiful big nuts, and why not? So I said, okay, I can give it a shot. Last autumn I dumped 5 of these big seeds in the same pot, having absolutely no expectations from them. And now, because I need the pot and I really want to reuse the soil, it's just sitting there doing nothing, I wanted to take them out. And guess what? Out of the 5, look! I will have 2 nut trees. Can you imagine this? And this one, I was like, why they are not coming out? I'm like, really, I want them to come out. And that's why, because they already had the root system develop, which is quite impressive. And yep, I didn't want to make a video about them, but I just have to share. Don't give hope on your seeds, yeah? So just keep watering them, check them once in a while, although you have to dig them out, but don't lose hope on your seeds. This one, it's cracked open as well. I don't know what to expect from it. I'm gonna put it in a smaller pot and see what happens. This one, I'm shaking it, it's maybe dead. And here I have half of it that nothing seems to develop. This is, yeah, dead. I'm gonna drop it because maybe a cockroach will come out. Although on a balcony in a pot shouldn't be any cockroaches, but I don't like insects. I love plants, but I don't like insects in or around them or around me. Let me adjust the white balance. Okay. So guys, here they are, 2 winning seeds, possibly a 3rd one. And my father will be happy if I'll manage to get them to grow. Not only a root system, but a stem as well. And this is my other tree nut. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Well, I have to tell you that when I was younger, I don't know, maybe in high school or even younger, I cannot remember. Yeah, maybe before high school, I planted on my balcony where I was living, in an apartment where I was living with my parents. I was planting several tree nuts, and they all came out. 3 of them grew tall, like I don't know, maybe half a meter or even more, and it was time for me to transfer them to the garden. We have a piece of land on a hill outside of the city, we call it a garden. And now, out of my 3 seedlings, we have a thick little forest. It's improper to say forest, but a thick bunch of trees. And it's amazing how nature works. You just have to give it a try. So they multiplied by themselves during the years. It's maybe 14 years from now that we are talking about, and I'm just happy to see them growing. Usually I don't get to eat the nuts from them because not being fenced, that land, other people walk by and serve themselves from my trees. but I'm just happy to see them and to know that they came out of my hands basically. And my dad was right, I do have a green thumb. Until next time, I'm gonna finish repotting this, and give your seeds a chance. Go get dirty, and happy planting.